It's occurred to me over the last year while developing the meal meter and watching its benefits. I think we can all involved with the hog business say that the genetics people have done their job. The genetics have improved a lot over the last 5-10 years, and from what I've told will continue to improve at this rate or faster in the future. But what really occurred to me is we're using the same feeding system that we used 5, 10, 20 years ago, and it's just not, the feeding system is not keeping up with this sow. It's become obvious to me that there are just critical points in time in the sow's reproductive life where it's imperative that they have access to ad lib feed. That's in the farrowing barn, that's pre-breed, as gilts, as weaners, and also in the opportunity row or the hardhead row where there are past sows, late weaners, and other sows that just need to add condition. And that's what the meal meter will provide.